In today's video, we'll share studies that show what happens to your body when you eat oatmeal every day. Have you ever imagined a simple bowl of oatmeal could actually hold the secret to your health and well-being? And no, we're not just talking about it being a quick and easy breakfast option. It's much, much more than that. You might be seriously shocked at the 5 miraculous transformations your body can undergo when you make oatmeal a part of your daily diet. Can it truly be the superfood we've been overlooking all this time? Today, we're zeroing in on a very special, common, yet often underestimated item in our kitchen cupboards: oatmeal. From weight loss to heart health, from fighting off diabetes to boosting your immunity, your everyday oatmeal might be more of a superhero than you could have ever thought. So buckle up as we journey through the astonishing science of oats and reveal the real impact of eating oatmeal every day on your body. And remember, some of these revelations will make your jaw drop, so make sure you stick around till the end to get the full scoop. Let's get rolling. Number 1. Decrease heart disease risk. Ready to take a heart-healthy step each morning? Look no further than your bowl of oats. This nutritious breakfast staple can be a real hero when it comes to looking after the health of your heart. And you might ask, how exactly does it manage to do all that? Well, it's our good old friend, fiber. Here's where things get really interesting. Oatmeal, with its ample fiber content, does an extraordinary job at lowering your bad LDL cholesterol. You know, the kind that likes to stick around in your blood vessels, causing all sorts of trouble? Well, oatmeal sends that packing. But that's not all. Your blood sugar levels can also be kept nicely stable with a daily dose of oats. No more sudden highs and lows, just a nice steady pace. And if you're battling high blood pressure, oatmeal might just be the silent warrior you need. It's known to help reduce those soaring numbers, bringing a sigh of relief to your hard-working heart. Each of these actions is a direct jab at cardiovascular disease, lessening your risk of facing this formidable foe. And the best part? All you need to do is start your day with a bowl of oats. Heart health never tasted so good, right? So next time you ponder your breakfast choices, remember the amazing power of oats for your heart. Number 2, you feel fuller longer. Do you often feel that grumble in your stomach, reaching out for a snack every so often? Here's the solution, my friends. Oats. These humble grains are a powerhouse of fiber. Now here's the intriguing part. Our body can't actually digest fiber. But wait, how is that beneficial, you ask? Well, the magic lies in this very fact. The indigestibility of fiber essentially slows down the digestion process, and that's what makes you feel satiated for an extended period. This amazing insight is straight from the research desks at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. And there's more. Consuming foods rich in fiber, like oats, helps keep your blood sugar levels stable, preventing those sudden spikes and crashes that leave you feeling ravenous. Now, isn't that a game changer? Let's take the word of the expert here. As per Maggie Mikulczyk, a renowned registered dietitian nutritionist, incorporating oats into your breakfast, or even as a part of various meals and snacks, could significantly increase your meal's staying power, helping you keep those hunger pangs at bay for much longer. And if numbers speak to you, here's one that might impress you. According to the USDA's Food Data Central, a simple cup of cooked oatmeal comes with 4 grams of fiber, making up an impressive 16% of your daily recommended value. So next time you reach for that snack, remember, a bowl of oatmeal could keep you fuller, longer. Number 3, your gut bacteria will thank you. So far, we've discovered that oatmeal is an all-star breakfast choice for keeping us full, assisting digestion, and taking care of our heart. But did you know that it also has a secret superpower? Yes, oatmeal is a bona fide prebiotic food, the ultimate nourishment for the good bacteria in our guts. These microscopic friends, collectively known as our gut microbiome, play an incredibly significant role in keeping us healthy. From bolstering our immune system to influencing our mood, aiding digestion, and even keeping diseases at bay, the power of a healthy gut is truly phenomenal. And here's where it gets even more compelling. A systematic review published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2021 found a direct correlation between oat consumption and an increase in beneficial bacterial groups in the gut. So basically, enjoying a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast is like throwing a feast for your friendly gut bacteria, helping them thrive and multiply. How cool is that? So next time you enjoy your bowl of oatmeal, remember, you're not just eating breakfast. You're building a healthier, happier gut, bite by bite. Number 4, helps manage weight easier. Now here's a bit of oatmeal news that might really perk up your ears. Did you know that this incredible breakfast staple can also be your secret weapon in the battle of the bulge? That's right. Oatmeal might just be your trusted ally in the quest for weight loss and weight management. According to a comprehensive review in the 2021 edition of Foods, the beta-glucan in oats does far more than just keep our digestion smooth and our heart healthy. This unique soluble fiber has been shown to have a positive impact on hyperglycemia, actively lowering blood lipid levels and helping reduce weight. Yes, you heard it right. Weight loss might just be a bowl of oatmeal away. The filling nature of oatmeal, courtesy of its fiber content, can help you curb overeating by keeping you satiated for longer periods. Fewer calories consumed throughout the day can lead to effective weight management. Isn't that a clever way to keep those pesky extra pounds in check? But the surprises don't end there. Beta-glucan has another trick up its sleeve. It may stimulate the release of peptide YY, a hormone that's churned out in the gut and plays a key role in making you feel full. So, not only does oatmeal keep you satisfied, it actually encourages your body to help itself feel fuller for longer. Now, that's what we call a breakfast of champions. Number 5. Helps you stay regular. Oats seem to be full of surprises, don't they? Let's add another feather to its cap. They are rich in an extraordinary kind of soluble fiber known as beta-glucan. Now, you might be wondering what's so special about it. Well, this unique fiber has some pretty fascinating characteristics. When beta-glucan arrives in your gut, it transforms into a gel-like substance, effectively playing the role of a little traffic controller in your digestive system. It ensures a smooth flow of things in your gut, helping you maintain a consistent digestive rhythm. So if you're striving for regularity in the bathroom, look no further. Oats have got your back. What's more, it helps in bulking up your stool, ensuring your bathroom visits are a breeze and not a struggle. Say goodbye to those awkward moments of strain and discomfort. But hey, there's always room for bonus points, right? If you pair your oatmeal with sources of insoluble fiber, such as unpeeled apples, a handful of nuts, or juicy blackberries, it can add an extra boost to your digestive health. This combo not only supercharges the moving process in your gut, but also guarantees a smoother experience in the bathroom. So why not give it a try? Transform your oatmeal into a digestive powerhouse and enjoy a happy gut and a happier you. And there you have it. We've dived deep into the world of oats, revealing its surprising superpowers. And now you know exactly what happens to your body when you eat oatmeal every day. It's not just a breakfast item, but a heart protector, gut nurturer, digestive helper, and maybe even your weight loss companion. But hey, our journey into the world of health and wellness is far from over. We have plenty more intriguing food facts and health insights to share with you. To ensure you don't miss out on the exciting content we have in store, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you a fan of oatmeal? How do you prefer to have your oats? And have you noticed any health improvements since incorporating oats into your daily diet? Drop your experiences, thoughts, and any oaty questions you might have in the comments below. We're excited to kickstart a conversation and learn from each other. Remember, every bowl of oatmeal gets you a step closer to a healthier, happier you. So let's embrace the power of oats together and make the most of our wellness journey. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.